Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you too. Be very careful with these things in that they scam us. We are seeing this more and more. Customers who buy used parts through the internet and who they scam them. Let's see. If you buy any part, whether new or used, buy them in recognized establishments, then give you a guarantee of at least being able to recover your money. Look, a client bought this turbo. We told him that he had to buy the turbo, either new or recovered, a repaired tube, and the owner ignored us and bought a used one through the internet, from a private client, and look at what he sold him, a rusty turbo. This turbo is useless, not at all, or it has been out in the open, or it has been on top of a puddle, because it has rust everywhere. I insist, be careful with these things that we see more and more, okay? Buy parts, whether they are new or used, but buy them in recognized establishments that give you guarantee of at least the return of your money. Here it is going to be very complicated, because the one who sold it to him has already blocked him, and before blocking him they already argued, and he told him that if he wanted to report him, he should report him, but that he was not going to return the money, which makes it very difficult for him to recover his money. Be very careful with those things. That is, I say, we are seeing it more and more often, and above all, never put a turbo used, put a turbo, or new or repaired, okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.